everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd come on and do a project share with you of the fresh bouquet goodies that I've been making. I am so in love with this collection and have been making so many things. So this is the first thing that I made. It's a little book and I used the 3D hot air balloon that I made on the front, as well as some of the flowers that I die cut out with that Sizzix die. I also have a nice dangle on the side with the beads from my stash. And then on the inside, if you open up this ribbon, it has a bead kit. So I thought it'd be fun to make like a dangle kit. I received one of these in a swap from my swap buddy Catherine, and I thought it was so amazing. So I decided to make one myself. So I'm re-gifting, oh no, I'll pick that up in a minute. I'm re-gifting these here. They're so fun, and I just don't know how I would use them, so I'm re-gifting those. They were from Catherine, but everything else is me. So I have some jump rings here, and then also some head pins. I have some beads from my stash, some pom-poms, some pink pearl beads here, and then also some nice iridescent beads here. So they are really, really fun, and I thought it'd be nice for people to be able to make their own little bead dangles. So this is the first one that I made, and also it's a little bit hard to see, but it's actually a shaker underneath as well. I'm obsessed with shakers. Then next up, I made this little, I'm going to call it a book box because it's a book that has boxes in it. On the side it has this tassel with a whole bunch of bead dangles. I made this tassel, and there should be a tutorial up by the time this video goes up, and then some charms on the side as well, which should also have a tutorial. I have a sequins binding around the outside, and then on the front there is a shaker pocket with a awesome star embellishment that I made. I love this embellishment here. This is using a die from my stash. If you want a tutorial, please let me know. And then also a little bead dangle down the bottom. Then you open it up with the Velcro that it's sealed with. And then on the inside, there is 4 boxes. So in this one here, I have some bead dangles and tassels. In this one here, I have another one of the projects that I'm going to share with you, but I'll leave that one to last. And this one here, this one's empty because I haven't filled it yet. And then in this one here, I just thought I'd give some flowers because it is fresh bouquet, so why not? This was using a tutorial from Bambi's Mail, so you can just go over there. I think it's Bambi Deer on YouTube. But in here, I made some sequined little cotton candy embellishments. I have a tutorial on to how to make the cotton candy embellishment, but I saw online that people were using sequins, and it looks so, so pretty. I love it so much. And then I also just put in a lighter colored one as well without the sequins on it. They are so fun to make and look so cute. They I think they go really nicely with this collection, but obviously with Carousel and Sunny Days, they would look so awesome with, and even the it's a Frank Garcia collection, but I can't remember exactly what it is. So that is the book box that I made. Next, I just have a few handmade embellishments. So I have another one of the layered circle embellishments that I made with a big bead dangle, and I just thought I'd package it up a little bit differently this time, put some confetti in there and some shaker bits, but I really like how these look. I have a tutorial on these if you're interested. Then I have another star one, and I did the same thing with the sequins and the confetti in there, and a bead dangle. I love these so much, and they're so versatile. Like, I've used these on top of wands. I've used them to cover, like, as bindings for things. In a minute I'm going to use it as the front cover for things, but you can also use these as tag flips. They're just so fun and versatile, and packaging it up with these sequins in it is so cute. Then next up, I made a shaker pencil case with a zipper. So I bought these zippers from Daiso a little while back, and I'd always planned to make a shaker sequins envelope, but I finally got around to it. So like I said, you can actually put things in here, which I have, and it fully seals up with the zipper on there, but it is filled with sequins, and the sequins are actually in the lining, so they're not in the pencil case, they're in the lining. If you want a tutorial on this, let me know. I can film it without the zipper or with the zipper. It's up to you, just let me know. And I just adore this so much. And this sequins mix, I love. This is using all those sequins that I got from AliExpress. It was from the Michael Anderson store. I just love making sequins mixes. They're so fun, and I love this sequins mix so much. Then next, I made a giant suitcase. I loved this mini suitcase that I made with Sunny Days, and I thought it would be a really cool idea to make a big loaded suitcase. I'm making this for an upcoming event. Not going to give away too much, but I'm making it for an upcoming event, and it is a shaker pocket, as well as this awesome cluster on the front using those Sizzix dies, and then the ephemera from Fresh Bouquet. And then on the side I have a tassel that I've made, and I also wanted to put some tags on the side because I find that they look very travel-y, so I've done that. And what you do is you open it up here like so, and these just go out through the side, up the top, and then it is a massive suitcase that you could fit so many things in it. So I'm planning on putting these in there and then that on top, and this also fits in there as well. You've just got to be a little bit careful when closing it up, but it does fit in there like so. Maybe not with my really big box there, but these all do fit in there. So then you just close it up and seal it. I'm just gonna close it there, and there it is. I love this so much. I think it is the most fun project I've ever made, and it's also probably the biggest 3D project that I've done before, but I really do love it so much. It's so gorgeous. Love it. Then I've received a lot of Memory Decks cards lately, and I had nowhere to put them. So I thought I would make for myself a Memory Decks holder. And, oh, I didn't actually say, on all the projects there is stitching. I love to do stitching. I just think it adds such a fine detail to it, but it looks so much more professional, your projects, when it's stitched. So this is double line, and it also has chipboard in it, and you can have your Memory Decks cards on it. So I just put a few random ones in there, but they do come out with my design. I've seen with other ones that they don't actually come out, but I wanted one that I could actually pop it out. So I've made this one here. This is also just a Mem Decks card that I put together. I love Shaker Mem Decks cards, so I had to make another one. I have an idea that I want to make a Shaker Mem Decks card for every collection. So this is for Maggie Holmes Heritage. And then at the front, this is going to be a little bit hard to show, but I have a layer of ribbon ruffle that I made, and then I've layered an acetate piece on top of some of the some of the ephemera from the collection. And I've also put this little darling hummingbird. She's so beautiful, and that bow is from my stash. I believe I got it from AliExpress, and then I just laid up some leaves and chipboard. I love this so much, and it's awesome to have a place to put my Mem Decks cards now, to store them, and also somewhere that I can just pull them out and look at. I'll just show you quickly. This one is from Catherine. I love it. It's a J for my name. So awesome. And then this one here, like I said, which is for Maggie Holmes Heritage, and then this one here is just one I haven't decorated yet. I love this so much, and this box I did design myself. I have seen a couple online, but it wasn't exactly what I wanted, so I decided to do this one. Made another one of the giant embellishment book boxes. This one is double the size of the last one that I made. So the last one, the binding was 2 inches, and this one, the binding is 3.5 inches. So it is absolutely massive. It is as big as I could make it with one 12 by 12 sheet of paper. You could easily make it bigger if you had bigger sheets of paper, but I love this so much. I used one of the little cotton candy embellishments that I made with the sequins on the front, and also one of the stars that I made. So this is just showing you some ways to use things. And also, as always, I couldn't make it without making it a shaker. So it's a shaker there. It's also a shaker on the side. And I think this looks so awesome. I put a dangle there. There's also some more ribbon ruffle underneath, and then a cute little cluster of flowers. And then on the inside, I haven't decorated it yet because I'm not entirely sure what I want to use this for. But I did make a sequins shaker pocket with a whole bunch of sequins that I had left. I love this sequins mix. This is slightly different to the one that is used in the other projects, but it is very, very, very similar, but I love it so much. This is the same sequins mix that it is on the front of this. It is different though to the sequins mix that is in this. They're slightly different just because I ran out of this sequins mix, so I had to make a new one. But I love this so much. This is just, I just love that cover so much. It's so gorgeous, and that cotton candy embellishment looks so real. And then on the side, I'll try and show you, I just put some more charms. Again, this time I decided to only do it on the top layer. I think I will just tie a little bit of ribbon down the bottom to accent it, but I love this so much, and it is just so fun and so gorgeous, and I love it, love it, I love it. I don't know what else to say besides I love it. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little project share of what I've been making with Fresh Bouquet over the last few weekends. So thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this type of video, please consider subscribing. It will really help out my channel. And I also want to say a big thank you to all the people who have been subscribing and watching recently. It really makes my heart happy to see that people are enjoying my content, and hopefully you are getting inspired and learning along the way. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you all next time. Bye!